Welcome to Monday Bytes from CHITRACars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and subscribe to the channel. And write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today we're talking about why people are buying more pre-owned cars or second-hand cars. There are many reasons. Reasons are like, there's a first-time buyer who wants to drive a car and learn driving and make sure that he learns it perfectly and gets a hands-on free on the car, and then he'll shift to a new car. That segment is more today. And same way, people who are buying second-hand cars are not because they have less money to buy new car. They are more smarter buyers because they look at value for money, and that's why they buy pre-owned cars or second-hand cars. And there are some people who wants to buy only second-hand cars, and that too high-end, because the high-end cars are 70, 50, 60 lakhs cars, and when they choose those cars, they are 1-2 years old car and driven very less. They get at least 20 to 30% or 40% less than what's the new car price. So why people buy new cars also, that they make a lot of loss when they sell immediately. There are people who buy new cars, they sell 1-2 years, in 1 year or 2 years. The reason is they buy that car and they use it, but they understand, come to understanding that this car is not suitable for me and my family. I need a bigger car, and that's why they sell. So when they sell, they make a good loss, but actual profit comes to the people who are buying, because they get benefited with the accessories fitted by the previous owner, the life tax, the insurance, and also the depreciation what is calculated. So the buyer, the pre-owned cars or the used car buyer, is getting more benefited. Today the market of used car is increasing day by day, and it is expanding smaller segments, mid segment and higher segment also. So people who are buying pre-owned cars are intelligent buyers, and they look at value for money. These are the reasons why people are choosing pre-owned cars or used cars. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think CHITRACars. Thank you.